Global cues were very good. Look at the Hong Kong market, it was up 3% in the morning. With such a positive global cues, we opened higher and we consistently traded higher today without much volatility. And of course, in between just one candle, they brought the market down by 70-80 points. And then within the same candle, it was shot up more than 100 points. So we can say after a very long time, the stability returned to the market. And remember, I told you, if the month is a very treacherous month and the new series normally begins with some positive note, and most probably such positive momentum continues. And there are many positive signs here, and I can tell you one by one. Number one, after a very long time, yesterday the US market traded with this stability without any huge intraday up and down movements. US market yesterday did not react negatively for the very bad GDP data. And today morning also I told you, when the market don't react to negative news, that means the market is somewhere near the bottom, or probably the bottom has already been made. And when the markets are not reacting to the positive news, so that means is top is very near, probably the top has already been formed. So we can say confidently now, the bottom has already been made, both in US market as well as Indian market. And third number, FIA's position. In the last month, they kept huge short positions, but this time the short position is 55. So FIA's long short position is in a comfortable mode. And the fourth one, India VIX. US VIX also came down. Indian VIX came down by 10% yesterday, and today it has come down by another 5% in just 2 trading sessions. India VIX has come down by 15%. So all this points to the stability of the market. And in the May series, it was huge volatility, and market going up and down is not a problem. But 200 point gap down, fall another 200 points, 200 point gap up, shoot up another 200 points. That has not happened today. And I don't think this is going to happen in the next few days also. But of course, fingers crossed, assuming that there is no more headline news from the US. And also you can see the Nifty, yesterday's low was 15,900 and today's Nifty is close to 16,400, so 500 shot up. And today the banking stocks have outperformed, and SDFC twins for the 4th day, continuously they are the contributors of highest points among Nifty on the higher side to among the top 5 stocks. And there was some news today morning, the government may plan to additional tax from oil producer. As you know, crude oil prices are so high, it's around $114 to $115. So these people are making good money. It's almost $114 to $115. So these people making good money. So now government also, because they cut the excise duty for petroleum products, so they have to compensate that money somewhere else. So there was a news that government is planning to go for additional tax from oil producers. And who are the oil producers in India? Of course, it's Reliance and ONGC. So there is no wonders that Reliance and ONGC are the top 2 contributors for the Nifty on the negative side. And on the higher side, it was the banking and the financials. And on the lower side, it was Reliance and ONGC. So, one good thing, after a long time, I'm comfortable with the market. The last 1 month, I have not been comfortable with the market at all. But today, first time, I'm feeling that, I'm more comfortable with the market. And at the end of the day today, of course, FIAs have sold more than 2,500 crores. And they are going to continue for some more time. There's no end to that. And of course, the domestic institutions have bought 2,700 crores more what FIs have sold. And of course, tomorrow I will come out with the video what is wrong with these FIs. There are lots of messages going around in the social media regarding the FIs selling. So right now US futures are higher, European markets are higher, Asian markets are also higher. So there is, green paints everywhere, the world. And let us hope this continues. Even we do not want market to go up every day. Doesn't matter whether market comes down, but goes up or comes down, it should happen gradually, without any violent moves. And I can see that is returning in the month of June. So June month is a 5-week series, it's a long series. And of course, about June month outlook we will discuss later. But looking at the open interest, I think 16,000 will become very, very good support. And people are selling 16,000 put-up options. And also people are taking 16,300 short straddle. So after a long time people are confident that markets will move gradually, will not make violent moves. So let's see next week what happens. Hope you enjoyed listening to the video. Thank you for listening. Enjoy. Good night.